In this video, I'll explain how Suno AI promo codes work and how to find available discounts. First, go to the official Suno AI website and check the pricing or plans section. Sometimes Suno AI offers promotional discounts for new users or limited time deals. You can also visit websites such as suno.saver.com. Search for Suno and browse the available coupons that may apply to your purchase. Another option is subscribing to the Suno AI newsletter to receive updates about promotions and new features. Some promo codes may also be shared during special events or product launches. Once you find a valid promo code, go to the checkout page when purchasing a subscription. Look for the promo code or discount code field. Enter the code and apply it to see the updated price. Make sure the code is still active, since some promo codes expire after a certain period.